Hi everyone! Here's me telling you about another Jackson's sale. This week it's Roman Szmal. Lately I've been using Roman Szmal a lot myself, and well, you can see how much I like it by just looking at the state of my palette. As per usual, open stock full pans and half pans are all on sale. I'll leave links to everything down in the description box below, so don't worry. Then there are the sets that are also on sale. Not only that, all the brushes are also discounted as well. This page is for the squirrel hair brushes, and this one for the synthetics. And then the next two listings are the ones people tend to overlook. Here's a listing for their printed color chart, and this one for their hand-painted color chart. As always, I'd like to thank everyone who has used and or have continuously been using my affiliate links in the past. I just wanted to say thank you so much for your kindness. And for those who would like to support this channel, I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider using my affiliate links below. Thank you! Alternatively, I've also set up an Amazon wish list recently, which I'll leave a link down below if you'd like to check that out. And that's all I have for you today. I'll leave some images here for you to check out which colors are in my current Roman Szmal palette. As always, thank you so much for watching everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.